Among the many Chinese cultural values is to draw lessons from bitter experiences. As the saying goes, to know shame is akin to courage. Today, the Chinese people still remember some painful historical events as a spur for the development of the whole nation. The Jiawu War is a story President Xi Jinping calls on the people never to forget. Liaogong Island, covering an area of 3.15 square kilometers, is located on the northeastern edge of Shandong Peninsula at the mouth of Weihai Bay. It played an extremely important role in China's national defense on territorial waters. A number of military facilities, such as barracks, iron docks, and emplacements, were set up on the island.
刘公岛上所有炮台火力最强的是东红炮台，像我们看到这门德国克虏伯大炮，有效射程8000米，可以击破军舰铁甲板，贯穿船腹。
The island is described as the birthplace of China's first modern navy, Beiyang fleet of the Qing dynasty. It was also one of the main battlefields during the First Sino-Japanese War, commonly known in China as the Jiawu War.
北洋海军成军的时候，它拥有军舰25艘，主力战舰呢几乎全部都是从欧洲订购建造的。
The fleet was the largest one in Asia during the late 1880s in terms of tonnage. The Qing dynasty believed that such a fleet was too strong to be defeated. While the fleet was completely ruined during the First Sino-Japanese War, although some naval officers and marines fought bravely. On July 25, 1894, the Japanese fleet attacked two vessels off the Korean port of Asa, causing hundreds of Chinese soldiers to die. Juyan, also known as Cha-Yuan, was one of the advanced warships of the Beiyang fleet. In a battle, Juyan was besieged by enemy ships and damaged. Under the command of Captain Dong Su-chong, Juyan attempted to ram an enemy ship, but a torpedo hit and sank Juyan, killing Dong and 200 other crew members. Another known hero was Ding Ruchang, the chief commander of the Beiyang fleet. Ding and his troops were besieged in Liaogongdao after fighting hard for days and waiting for reinforcement that never came. Ding committed suicide. Then, the Beiyang fleet surrendered to the enemy. By March 1895, the war ended, and the Qing dynasty's armed forces, including Army and Navy, were routed.
晚清军制的缺陷导致清军难以形成有效的海陆协同，致使北洋舰队腹背受敌，加之清军纪律松弛，包括炮台、舰船在内的许多武器装备无法发挥应有的作用。
The Shimonoseki Treaty, signed to conclude the war, ceded the Liaodong Peninsula in northeast China, Taiwan and its annex, the nearby Penghu Islands, to Japan. China also paid Japan 200 million taels of silver, which was about 4 years' revenue of the Japanese government at the time. In June 2018, Chinese President Xi Jinping paid a visit to Liaogong Island. He called for Chinese people to draw lessons from history and work hard to build China into a better and stronger nation.
昨天我去了威海，因为我要看看这公岛，看看我们甲午海上之殇啊，心情久久不动。
从1840年鸦片战争爆发，到1949年新中国成立，这100多年的历史啊，世界列强共计470多次侵犯我国的领海主权。
现在又是一次大规模的攻击，在这样历史进程中，让我们各守各位，做出自己的努力，做出自己的